I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach.
I searched some topic from the ongoing Iran-Israel-US war.
I got this topic of Iran's SEJJIL missile. This is a Creative Commons licensed image.
SEJJIL missile of Iran. All these images are bound to Creative Commons licenses so that it should not make any controversies later. I got its dimensions from Google. Length is about 18.2 meter and dia is about 1.25 meter. Overall dimensions: length 18.2 meter, dia 1.25 meter. These are the probable part names of the SEJJIL missile. This is the 3D solid model of SEJJIL missile built in SolidWorks. Here I focused only external aesthetics and size of the missile. The full feature tree of this missile 3D model, and these are the 3 skeleton sketches on which the entire missile model is built. Let's look into it one by one. The first overall construction sketch, 18.2 meter by 1.25 meter for full size of the missile. The second sketch is with SEJJIL missile picture in the background and scale to match the overall sizes. And this is done with the sketch picture tool. Third is the partition sketch. The overall sketch is partitioned with horizontal lines with shown dimensions in mm to match the background SEJJIL missile picture. The first feature, upper half, created with revolve command. Applied rounds for sharp edges. The lower half created with revolve command, which is a multi-body. The missile bottom cover with fins as a multi-body. Ultimately added 4 ribs to the upper half. And the final SEJJIL missile 3D model is here. Let's zoom and view missile's top, center and bottom portions. Now with real view graphics enabled, so it looks realistic. Let's add an exploded view for 3 multi-bodies. Upper half moved up along the y-axis. Bottom cover with fins moved down along the y-axis. Exploded view of the missile, collapse, explode. Then made the drawing or 2D detailing for the missile. The front view with overall dimensions in meters. Additionally, exploded view and an isometric view is shown. The sheet size chosen is A2 and scale is 1:60. This missile has a nickname called the dancing missile. Now the missile is ready to launch. It's launched and it dances on the sky and exploded with a fire. My 3D certifications. I teach industry-specific solid modeling for engineering students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.